Alrighty guys, hey, thank you so much for clicking on this video. This is going to be the unboxing of the Osmo Nano. I picked up this camera because I thought it would be a great fit for the channel. I have another channel that I do POV drives as well, or another channel that I do POV drives. So I think this is going to be definitely the right camera for that. And I also have a lot of stuff in mind that I think this camera will definitely help. But anyway, this is going to be the unboxing of this one. I hope you enjoy. Let's check this thing out. Get it out of the way. So let's see. Kind of tells you what comes in the box. Let's go ahead and get it out of the way. I don't know. I see some YouTubers say that this thing was somewhere in the low threes. I guess I paid too much for it, or it's tariffs, I don't know, but I paid $409 at Best Buy. So they are a little bit pricey. Let's check this thing out. Let's see. What do we get? Oh yeah, some stickers. Put that there. Put that there. So let's start with what's in this box. This is the accessories. Magnetic pendant. This thing is gonna be dope. I'm gonna try it out. I'm gonna just wear it because from what I've seen, this thing just blends. This thing just blends. So we're gonna wear that. This thing is gonna be dope as well. I wonder if it'll hold the weight of the actual form. I'm sure it will. That is tiny. Oh yeah, that's sharp. Case for it. And then the hat clip. It's magnetic as well. That box. Wow, that is very light. Man, that is tiny. That's about the size of the mic too. That's crazy. It's crazy that these things are so small. Let's go ahead and let's see what it does. Size comparison. So this is the Action 4. But when we take this off, that is so much more discreet. And another thing we got is just this little headband. DJI did make one, but this was 20 bucks, so it's available on Amazon. I'll put the link if you want to check it out. It has some really good reviews. Got no nails. Another sticker, tool. Looks pretty straight. I'm just gonna use this for the POV. I'm gonna try it out. Otherwise, I'm just gonna get a hat and try it that way, but I think this should work.